Following a huge overhaul on this motorcycle, we have a no crank, no start condition. With the use of the Power Probe 4, we're going to identify something very quick and easy, which can be done whenever an occurrence like this happens. An often overlooked scenario when a no crank, no start appears is to check whether we have a decent engine earth in order for the starter motor to activate. By use of the Power Probe, we're going to probe a metallic surface of the engine to identify whether we have an engine earth present. As seen by our voltage display, we have a full 12 volt leakage through our earth circuit. This engine has an insufficient earth connection, preventing the starter motor from engaging.